World Cancer Day, a global call to action to prevent, detect and treat cancer. But here in Jamaica, that call is ringing against a troubling reality. Sandy Williams explains.
Women 40 years and older are advised to screen annually, but Jamaica has no national mammogram screening program, and fewer than half of eligible women are being screened regularly. In fact, not all parishes have mammography services, forcing women to travel long distances or pay private fees they simply cannot afford.
We have not met the global targets, and we are not near reaching the global targets as yet. For example, women who should be screening for mammograms, not even half the women in Jamaica at age 40 are doing their screenings routinely.
And when screening does happen, another problem emerges.
Screening is one aspect, yes, they must have access to screening, but what next if you are detected as having cancer? So there are other tests that need to be done, CT scans and other X-ray services that need to be done to determine the severity of the cancer.
For many cancer patients and survivors, treatment doesn't end with chemotherapy or surgery. Physical therapy also has a role in the recovery process.
So our role as physical therapists is to get the individuals back to life, get them moving, get them exercising at the various levels. So we can't just send them to a gym. The important thing to do is to get them moving at the level they are by proper assessment and the development of exercise strategies that will be appropriate for the individual.
Cancer and its treatment can weaken muscles, stiffen joints, and rob patients of mobility, sometimes making even simple movement feel impossible. For breast cancer patients, surgery can leave arms stiff and painful. For prostate cancer survivors, urinary incontinence can be life-altering.
The specialist physical therapist has the skills of getting the individual's continence back by exercising the muscles of the pelvic floor.
But access remains a recurring challenge, not just to screening, but to the full cancer care pathway.
That is why we work with the international company to make sure we provide something from our end to create greater access. So within our company, there's this access program. For example, you buy this month therapy, and you know there are other times when the therapy is subsidized, so they can get a better outcome for your patients.
A new global analysis estimates that 37% of all new cancer cases in 2022, around 7.1 million cases, were linked to preventable causes. The findings highlight the enormous potential of prevention in reducing the global cancer burden. It's why health advocates say until Jamaica fixes screening access, improves diagnostic services, and strengthens support after treatment, far too many cancers will keep being discovered when it's already too late. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.